Hello, Puneet Dekate this side. This is my second skill test project, Superhero Hunter. In this project, I fetch data from the API and display on the home page. I have created one search bar that filter out the character based on the search query. For example, if we type man, you can see we have filtered out the data based on the man. After doing after doing this search, we can do two functionalities. First one, we can have detailed look by clicking on superhero character, and second functionality, now you can see the detail of the character which is shown here, and the second functionality is you can add these superheroes in favorite tab present on the home page. If, when you click on the favorite, it is it will get a pop-up like added to favorite list. By clicking on OK, you can move forward. If you again click on favorite of same, it will show already in favorite list on pop-up. So I have added two favorite heroes in my favorite list. To see all the favorite heroes list, click on my favorite tab present on the home page. You can also, by clicking on this favorite, you can see the list of favorite characters on the screen. You can also remove these superheroes from favorite list by simply clicking on the remove. Likewise, it will simply remove the character from this favorite list. Uh, for this project, I have created seven files, three HTML files and three index.html files. Sorry, JS files, and one style.css. In first index.js, it is my main file where from where I have launched my website, that is homepage. This is my index.html file where I have taken a help of Bootstrap here for the navbar, and one div where I have just added my card. This is my file, and this is the index.js where I have fetched data from the API provided by the coding ninjas. Here I used fetch API. I fetched data from the API. Pass it to the display search characters function, which will display the characters on the screen of home page. This is the function for the display characters. When user search any query on the search bar, this event listener, this event takes place. From that I have taken one function get characters, which fetch all the data from the API provided by the API based on the query. To display that data on the page, I have created another function display search characters. From that I have just displayed the search characters on the screen. Here is my second file, favorite.html. This is my HTML file. This is code basis for the HTML favorite.html file. In favorite.html file, I just stored the IDs of the favorite items, favorite characters into the local storage, and just fetch that data from the API and match with the IDs present on the local storage, and just displaying that property, displays that characters. This is my third file, superhero.html, where I am just displaying the data fetched from the displaying the data in static format, and here is a file for JS, superhero JS, where I am just fetching data for details. In this file, I just fetch data from the API, match with the element which I clicked on, and just display it on the screen. Here is the file for style.css, where I have done basic styling for my project. Thank you.